Hey there, Evan from Don Brown Bus Sales. Today we're going to take a look at a Magellan by Collins 14-passenger MFSAB. As we enter the bus, pay special attention to the superior fit and finish, as well as the excellent visibility. We know that most MFSAB drivers are not full-time bus drivers. This product is built to be easy to drive. Besides being very maneuverable and being set up with all of the user-friendly controls within easy reach of the driver, we include a backup camera standard. In many states, this bus does not require a CDL license to drive because of its 14-passenger capacity. Of course, we always suggest checking local laws regarding licensing. Thank you for taking a look at the new Magellan MFSAB with me. To learn more, give us a call at 518-306-7673 or visit us at buscrazy.net.